Hello baby dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the baby dogecoin. You know what's going on in the baby dogecoin? This is the alert news for all of you, my friends. Keep watching this video complete, and if you are new in my channel, please also click the subscribe button, also like this video. In this time, my friends, first of all, if we talk about the baby dogecoin price, so 0.00002934 USD dollar is the current price of the baby dogecoin. From the yesterday, my friends, the baby dogecoin price dumps. The price going down from yesterday, my friends, but everything will be okay. You have to just patience. You have to just wait, my friends. Wait. You can see that the price of the baby dogecoin is negative 27.87% falls down in the last 24 hours. Just let me show you more details about the baby dogecoin. Let's see the price chart. The price chart is loading, so please subscribe our channel. Oh my god, it's absolutely very great, a very big fast down occur in the baby dogecoin. But now you can see, if you look the latest changes, so I think in the last time the baby dogecoin has again start pumping. You can see here, my friends, you know what, a lot of people starting a very big mistake. But please, my friends, if you do this mistake, so you are in the loss. My friends, a lot of people decide to sell, and selling is not a solution, my friends. If you decide to sell baby dogecoin on the current price, so the current price is very low, and you know what, the changes is negative, so this means that you are in the loss. If you decide to sell, so you are in the loss. My friends, if you want to profit from a baby dogecoin, so you have to hold. You have to hold for a long time. That's how you can get a good amount of profit from a baby dogecoin, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.